Blackheads can be one of the most frustrating things in the world. They are hard to remove, they make your skin look and feel dull and rough, and they always seem to come back. If you regularly get blackheads, we are sure you have spent hours using all sorts of tools trying to remove blackheads unsuccessfully. The sad part about this is sometimes these tools can do more harm than good, as they can damage your skin tissues and can cause permanent damage. To figure out how to vanish blackheads forever, we first need to understand what caused them. Blackheads are caused when our pores get clogged due to dirt, sweat and oil. When all of these elements get oxidized on our skin, they start looking like blackheads. Since blackheads are stuck between our pores, it makes it very hard to get them out. Wouldn't it be nice if you could get rid of them from your home with ingredients you probably already have? If your answer to that question is yes, which it probably is, then this video is definitely for you. We are going to share easy DIY remedy to get rid of stubborn blackheads at home. One of the most effective and easy remedy is steaming. Subjecting your face to steam is an effective way to soften the stubborn blackheads and then eventually clear them away. Steaming the face makes the skin sweat, which in turn helps to clear out toxins from within. It also softens the pores, making the stubborn blackheads easier to work upon and remove. If you want to use kitchen products, then you can also use baking soda. In addition to possessing antibacterial and antifungal properties, it is also helpful for exfoliating dead skin cells and extra sebum. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water to form a smooth paste. Apply this on the concerned areas and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. You can use this remedy every day for best result. Similarly, you can also use turmeric and coconut oil. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, while coconut oil soothes and hydrates skin, a match made in heaven. This is one of the best home remedies for blackheads out there. To use it, mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric with coconut oil to form a smooth paste. Dab the paste on the concerned areas and let it work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. You can apply this remedy 3 to 4 times a week, but make sure to do a quick patch test before directly applying to your face skin, since our facial skin is quite sensitive. Try this remedy and do let us know about the result. We are sure you will absolutely love it. But if you feel some sort of irritation in your skin after using it, then this remedy is not for you. Stop using it.